Hero! Hooray!
Can you say that out loud?
Rock, paper, scissors, sand.
When you touch water, does your finger get wet or does it stay dry?
Wet.
Paintbrush in?
Like at school.
Like in your school? Can you give me a high five? We did it! Hi friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Sami and today I'm here with...
My name's Hero.
Hooray!
That's right, I'm here with Mr. Hero. And today we brought you guys an experiment. Do you know what the experiment's called, Hero? Can you say that out loud?
Rock, paper, scissors, sand.
That's not what I said. I said dry finger challenge. So now, the ingredients that you need are a jug of water. What is this?
Hooray!
Brush.
That's right, what is this?
Little tiny quality.
A container. And you need
Some tamana.
cinnamon. So for the first step, you're gonna take the water and you're gonna put it into the empty container. Let's do it, Hero. Oh no. Okay, now we're gonna put that down. And next, we're gonna take the cinnamon and put it inside of the water. Here, can you put a lot of it in? Or we could just do that. Okay, uh-oh. We spilled a little bit, that's okay. Are you gonna pick it up? Okay, there we go. All clean. Now, Hero, can you, let's spread this out a little bit. Don't put it in, just go like this. Okay, now that it's even on top of the water, Hero, I have a question. When you touch water, does your finger get wet or does it stay dry?
Wet.
Okay, now, can you dip your finger in there? Let's see if your finger gets dry or wet. Now take it. Hero, show your finger.
Hooray!
It's dry. It didn't get wet. That's so cool, right? Okay, now let's try it with the paintbrush. Can you dip the paintbrush in? Show the paintbrush. Dust the paintbrush up. And it's dry. Is it dry?
Yes.
That is so cool. Can you show them with your finger one more time? Oh, look at that. Look, now let's show with my finger. Ready?
What is it?
It's dry.
What happened?
What's happening? Is it still wet? I mean, is it still dry? Oh, it's dry, Hero. What's happening?
What happened to that powder?
Powder? What's the powder doing?
It's leaving your finger dry.
That's right. It's leaving your finger dry.
Like at my school.
Like in your school? Can you give me a high five? We did it. Yay! Thanks for joining us on our video today of Dry Finger Challenge. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more content. Bye, friends. Hero, can you say bye?
Bye.
See you next time.